Question says an electron of mass m with an initial velocity of this enters an electric field of electric magnitude at t equal to 0. If the lambda is its de Broglie wavelength initially, then its de Broglie wavelength at time t will be what? The answer is the second option. So what is the solution? The initial de Broglie wavelength is and the acceleration of the electron is therefore the velocity after time t will be less. Okay, as so as lambda is h upon mv, we'll substitute this velocity, this one, over here. Therefore, it will become it is nothing but which also can be written as so this is the first equation. Dividing 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 this equation by the first equation, we'll have the final answer as lambda equal to lambda naught upon 1 plus E naught upon m and t. Hence, second option is the answer.